Today, I'll show you how to watch a lot of your favorite anime legally for free in 2026. Now, in this video, I'll be revealing 3 free platforms and 2 premium platforms, making it a total of 5. So do make sure you stick to the end because trust me, it's going to be worth your time. Now, the first platform on my list is called Bilibili. Now, the one thing that I love about Bilibili is that you're actually getting a lot of anime legally for free and also a lot of short dramas fully available on this platform and other similar content that you can see on your screen right now. So to get access to, the anime content, go to the anime section. Once you click on that, every single thing you'll be seeing on your screen are, pretty much anime related content, and you can access them legally for free. You can already see the play icons on all these things that you are seeing on your screen right now. So another thing you can do on this platform is that you can actually upgrade to premium, so you can remove ads because there's ads on this platform. So you can upgrade to premium to remove ads, to also get HD resolution and a lot of other features. Now that's it for Bilibili. Bilibili is available as an app for Android, iOS, and a lot of devices. Now, moving on, the second platform I'm revealing is called K-Manga. Now, with the help of K-Manga, you can actually catch up to all your favorite anime by reading their manga. Now, you can access a lot of these legally for free. You can see all these mangas fully available on your screen right now. So, let me say I want to read this manga. All you have to do, just click on it. It's going to load up a little bit. Now, once done loading up, just like that, you can start reading the manga. So you can see different chapters that are available. So you can just start reading the manga on the platform. So you can see that. Very simple and very easy to use. Now, to actually upgrade to premium, you will have to, do that just so you'll be able to get 100% access to each and every content on this platform, because on this platform you're actually going to be getting a lot of chapters for free, but also there are some chapters that you have to upgrade to premium to get access to. So do make sure you check out this platform. Now, third on my list is called WeTV. With the help of WeTV, you are getting access to a lot of content, both dangwa. You can see free dangwa in here. So many free dangwa that you can actually watch on this platform, free variety shows, hottest free content, like so many content for you to watch legally for free on this platform. So you have to check out this platform, and once again, the name is WeTV. You can also upgrade to VIP so that you can remove ads and also to get better quality. So do make sure to check out this platform. It's going to be worth your time. Now, next up, like I said, I'll be revealing 3 platforms for free and 2 platforms that are premium. Now, the first premium platform is called HiDive. With the help of HiDive, you are getting a lot of anime. You can see a lot of trending and popular anime in here already. Now, with the help of HiDive, you can get this. And one thing that I love about HiDive is that they have very high quality, like high resolution anime fully available on this platform. So you have to check it out. And it's quite affordable. It's available for Android, iOS, and a lot of devices. Now, last on my list is called Prime Video. Now, one thing you don't know about Prime Video is that Prime Video actually has a lot of anime. So you can see so many anime available on this platform right now. A lot of popular anime available on Prime Video. Now, the cool thing about Prime Video that I actually like is that you are not just getting anime, you're also getting other content like movies and TV series. So it's actually a combination. So if I go to the let me just go to the main page instead. Let me go to the main page. So right now you can see the home page. So you can see there's so many series fully available in here, anime and so many other content for you to enjoy. And the best part is that it's super affordable, so you have to give this platform called Prime Video a try. Now, in this video I've actually given you guys about that's 5 different platforms, so give each and every one a try and let me know which one you prefer in the comment section. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.